Hi everyone, my name is Stevan Dulay. I'm the creative director at Homo Hair. I'm also a guest artist for Goldwell, and what we'll be creating today is going to be using Goldwell's SunDipped Color Trend. The shades we'll be using to create this SunDipped color are the three new shades from Goldwell's Topchic portfolio. They incorporate natural pearls, so 6NP, 7NP and 9NP, and these are fantastic tones. This is our beautiful model Ellie, and we're going to make this beautiful color. So here we have a beautiful model Ellie. Finished piece, we've created this gorgeous glow framing color, and as you can see, using these lovely tones from the MP Natural range, we have managed to control those lovely warm tones and give those beautiful natural pearlescent feel to the hair. If you like what we've done here, and you love this Topchic SunDipped color trend from Goldwell, then have a look at our other videos, see what else all the guest artists are up to, and we look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.